here with you, and today I'm going to play with this beautiful little wine bag from One Day Savings, and they're still doing their super fan Christmas fan sale, so all the information is down in the description box below with the code and everything. And you can also there's also a store event where you can get 3 free gifts if you order over $69, so definitely a good time to go and shop. This beautiful little bag is going to be so amazing for my stepmom, and we're going down for Christmas time, so I really want to get this done so that I can use it for their wine bottle, and so that's what I'm going to be doing right now, and I will speed up the video and the process so you guys can see it. The link to the product will be also in the description box below in case you're interested in this little guy. So I finished doing the bunny. I just love it. He's just so adorable. Totally adorable. I think she's gonna totally love it. And you saw me use my little containers. I'm addicted to them. I just love how they look. So basically what I've done is I've used the little sticker. I cut half and then I glue on top the little rhinestone. So yes, they do look like little tic-tac box. However, they fit in this little beautiful little case just perfectly. So I just love it. It makes me just so happy when I can put all my, and look, the clear is almost halfway through, so I might have a few clear later on. So it just makes me super happy. And the big ones here I've put in a separate and I didn't put on top because I'm thinking for the big ones like this I'll probably just put them all together, just because it's so easy anyway to just pull out one if you need. And once you've used them, basically it's going to be hard to find this shape again. So yeah, doesn't it look pretty? Oh, it just makes my heart sing. So anyway, that's it for me for today. I hope that you've enjoyed. Go and check out in the link in the description box below the link to the products that I've used, and don't forget about their sale. And that's it, guys. Love you. Bye.